So what is interpretability and why is it important?
In my view, interpretability is about trying to understand internal structure in neural networks. So just as in biology, you might be interested in what part of the brain does what. Where is vision processing implemented? Where is auditory processing implemented? Where is language implemented in the brain? You can ask the same questions of a neural network and try to figure out which structures correspond to which kinds of behaviors and abilities. So some people talk about reverse engineering. I prefer to think about it in terms of trying to transform one kind of algorithmic solution into another kind of algorithmic solution. So one thing I would like is, can we transform this opaque mix of lots and lots of numbers that you look at it and you have no idea what's going on into something that a human can read. Right? You can say, oh, here's where the neural network is implementing a for loop. Here's where it's implementing an if then else statement. Here it's implementing some other mechanism like this. So it's about trying to transform the structure inside of a neural network into a human interpretable programming language. You also asked, why is interpretability important? I think the answer to that question is that most solutions to alignment assume some kind of interpretability. Unless you are sure that the model is actually doing the thing you want it to do, you're going to have a hard time making sure that it's safe. So a lot of the discussion assumes that you have interpretability working. In particular, you might want to develop advanced kinds of lie detectors. You want to know that when the model is giving you suggestions for, grocery stores, that it's not at the same time plotting a way to get the nuclear launch codes and blow you up. So being able to understand internal structure and what the model is actually thinking about inside is the hope of interpretability, and having this high-level understanding to avoid deception, avoid all kinds of nasty things that we don't want.